Hi, welcome to Regional Stocks, Futures and Forex with Jonathan. Today is 8th of July 2014 and yes, right now is on a Tuesday midnight, okay, coming to you. Couldn't record the YouTube over the weekend because I got some technical issues which you are noticing right now. You couldn't even see my face also. So there's something wrong with the, not sure, still trying to figure out if it's a hardware or software, but I'm trying to get this out so that you can see what's going on in the market, okay? So right now, Dow Jones is moving, market is opened. Right now, Dow Jones as of 12:10 Singapore time is minus 55, okay? We were down minus 70 over, we were now trying to recover. So right now, let's take a look at the market. Last week, what's going on? Last week we have a non-eventful non-farm payroll day, okay, and then we have the 4th of July holiday for the US market. So nothing much. I'll show you the chart later. Now this week, what to take note of? This week, do take note that, well, it's coming to the end of the World Cup, and also this week on Thursday, do be very careful because on Thursday 2 o'clock Singapore time will be the FOMC meeting. So everyone is watching out for the FOMC to see whether there will be a QE tapering some more. Okay, more QE tapering. Now do take note, this is also the month of July. The month of July means quarter earnings. So coming soon, quarter earnings will all be released. So everyone is watching the quarter earnings. Everyone is watching the FOMC and also all waiting for the World Cup to end. So right now, do take note, market over the last 2-3 months, the volatility are just not that much. It's just slowly chugging higher. So coming soon, we shall see whether the volatility and the volume will be coming back to the market. Okay, so let's take a look at what happens to the market right now. This is Dow Jones. So let's open up the Dow Jones. Dow Jones on a daily candle. Right now we had a mini sell-off. So the mini sell-off was coming down. Okay, so right now as you can see, Dow Jones is still minus 55, nothing much change. Now if you take a look at a 15-minute candle, the movement here are really not much. Okay, so do take note. Well, let's just put it this way, they're just back from a 3-day weekend, so they're not going to have a major movement. But if you take a look at the monthly Dow Jones chart, look at this monthly chart. In fact, look at the last few months. The movement have been crazy, isn't it? Whew. That's a crazy monthly movement for Dow Jones. Just continuously going higher and higher. Okay? So now, similarly, S&P. But do take note, let's watch gold because I've been watching gold to see whether gold has been going higher. If you've been to my workshop for the last few times talking about gold, that's where I highlighted about gold. We shot up higher. Right now is consolidation. Okay, I'm hoping to see whether can gold go lower. If gold can go lower, I'll be watching the FIBO levels to see whether potentially where to enter gold on a long position. Okay, now do take note that this currency, pound dollar, but let's just jumping around. Okay, so let's see what happened. Pound dollar, watching pound dollar very closely because pound dollar on a weekly candle, okay, monthly chart, easier to see. I'm watching the FIBO resistance coming very close at 1.7300. Okay, watching that FIBO 50% resistance at the pound dollar. Now, highlighted, okay, I didn't have a chance to do the YouTube, but I got the opportunity to highlight in my website, okay, or the Facebook. So watch out for that. Do you notice that I actually shared and says, hey, watch out for Nikkei? And indeed Nikkei came lower. Why? Because Nikkei on Friday had a shooting star and right now is selling off from that shooting star. So that's Nikkei. Okay, so now Hang Seng. Let's go back to the regional market. Oh, do take note, since I cannot produce the chart with you, not enough chance. Shanghai is a descending triangle. It's a beautiful descending triangle, so be very cautious on that. Hang Seng right now still doing nothing much. If you take note, it is near this resistance, support broken, right now turn resistance. So right now, Hang Seng is just consolidating, forming a potential bull flag. Okay, watching for Hang Seng on the daily chart, trying to form a bull flag. FBM KLCI has been going higher and higher and higher. It's practically crazy. Okay, similar like Dow Jones, this movement has been going higher, higher and higher. Now do take note, the volume is not much of a volume. Okay, so just be very cautious. But FBM KLCI, I'm just curious, FBM KLCI, FBM KLCI, do they have, oh yeah, FBM KLCI, do be very careful, because FBM KLCI has a bearish divergence. Okay, so be very cautious on FBM KLCI. Next, today Jakarta Composite had a fantastic breakout. This breakout brings in, okay, this breakout brings in together with banks. Could it be that the market already anticipate the election in 2 more days? So watching that out very, very closely. Market right now perhaps is anticipating a winner. So we shall see how true will that come. Okay, now next, few things to take note of in Jakarta stocks. I'm watching out ATPK to see whether if ATPK can go higher, but do take note that this is a penny counter. Next I'm watching is Astra International. Okay, watching Astra International to see if Astra International can break out at this resistance at 7524 rupiah. So watching these 2 stocks very, very closely. If you'd like to find out more, do remember to go to my website WCA Charting Academy, and do remember, most importantly, if I got some tips, I'll be sending out to all of you. Okay, so if you want to send out my tips, you want to receive my tips, do remember to join the mailing list right there. It is free. Just join the mailing list. If I do see something, I'll send out email alerts. If sometimes I don't have time to send out email alerts, I will post it on the Facebook group. So go here, like the page, so you will never miss out the next alert again. The next event I'm having to train you on how to trade. Okay, free workshop happening this Saturday. So do check out this website, WCA Charting Academy, because the event coming up this Saturday will be posted in here within a day or 2. So watch this out very, very closely. So I'll see you again next week, and you be safe in your trading. Thank you.